Evening to all of you, everyone. It is evening time, so good evening to all of you. And first of all, thank you very much for clicking this video. Thank you so much for clicking this video because if you are also a learner or a beginner, so please connect with me and improve yourself a lot because I know that if you are a learner or a beginner, so I can understand that it is very difficult to improve your fluency because in a fluency we can speak, I know, but somewhere we get stuck because in a in a starting you can see myself. Of course I spoken a lot, like I improved a lot of myself, but still somewhere I get stuck. So that is why I am also a beginner or a learner, like I am also a English learner. I am learning English. So if you are also a beginner or a learner, so please connect with me and improve yourself a lot. So it is, that today I did not go to college because it is a holiday today. I am also college going student. I am practicing that how I can teach the student. I am doing a DLED and right now I am in a first year, so I don't have that much experience that how I can teach my student, but now I am learning. I am teaching also, but I am not able to teach them in a very confident way because I am practicing right now. So of course I believe in myself that yes, one day I will be become a very good trainer or a teacher as well because it was my dream. That is why I am working on that. And right now I think I don't have that much confidence, like I want to teach them in a very confident way and in a easy way, but somewhere I am not able to do that. But that is why I am working on that, and one day of course I will be become a very good teacher in my life and an English trainer as well because it was my dream. I wanted to speak English. I wanted to speak English just anyhow. So yes, of course I am able to speak in front of camera. I am able to speak some of the person, like I can speak in a small group. I can speak in front of my classmates still, but whenever it comes to do a public speaking, so in a public speaking I'm not that much confident that I can do public speaking. So I am learning right now public speaking, that how I can interact with everyone, how I can interact with a person, or how I can communicate in a confident way. So that is why I am learning. So I am not able to do public speaking, but still I am practicing, and one day of course I will be do public speaking also because it was my dream. I wanted to communicate with everyone in a confident way. I wanted to know the person, I was interested in a human psychology. So that is why just I am interested in a public speaking also because it is both are related to each other. So that is why I am improving myself also because I know one day of course I will be do. So let me tell you, I was talking about the fluency development, how you can develop the fluency. It doesn't matter that if you are using very advanced English then you will be become a confident. You can become a confident and you can become a fluent even you are using simple words. So do not use very high level, if you are in a basic level and you are trying to use a vocabulary like advanced level, so don't do that. Okay, just and whatever you are speaking, just take a deep breath and after that try to speak. Okay, because many times we think that my god I am not confident enough, my god when I was in my starting, I always used to think what, however I am looking, I always used to think the appearance, about the appearance, but I was not able to think about my inner grooming because I was that much confident. Confidence was because my confidence was I was a lack of confidence. That is why it was happening. If you are a learner or a beginner, so don't do that kind of thing, that if you are thinking that I am not good at speaking, because no one is perfect in this world. They are also whatever they are, even a native speakers are also first learn then speak, so don't think like that, okay? And if you are watching this video in a day, so have a good day, and if you are watching this video in a night, so have a nice night. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day. And really, if you find that my video quite helpful for you, so please do like, subscribe and share, okay? Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.